I am Dr. D. Prince Sagai Sudarshan, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Palkulam, Kanyakumari. Today, I am going to discuss about motivation, part 1, which comes under the subject Entrepreneurship Development, subject code MG 8091. Before we deal inside the subject, we can see about the course outcome. After successful completion of the topic, the student should be able to develop competence and motivation to become an entrepreneur. Motivation. Motivation means movement or motion. An inner state that energizes activities or moves and directs human behavior towards goals. It's a need satisfying and goal seeking behavior. Few definition according to the Chartle defines motivation as a reported urge or tension to move in a given direction to achieve a certain goal. By Bertelson, according to the Bertelson, define motivation as an inner state that energizes activities or moves and that directs or channels behaviors towards goals. Scott Gass defines as motivation means a process of stimulating people to action to accomplish desired goal. Nature of motivation. Number 1, motivation is internal to man. Number 2, a single motive can cause different behaviors. Number 3, the same behavior may result from many different motives. Number 4, motives may operate in harmony or in conflict. Number 5, behavior can be used as a estimate of an individual's motives. Number 6, motives come and go. Number 7, motives interact with environment. Motivational process. Motivation is the result of an interaction between entrepreneur needs and incentives. An entrepreneur feels motivated when available incentive leads to the satisfaction of his motive or needs. Theories of motivation. The importance of motivation to human life and work can be judged by the number of theories that have been propounded to explain human behavior. The theories explain human motivation through human needs and human nature. The two important prominent theories which are particularly relevant to entrepreneurship. First one, Maslow need hierarchy theory, McClelland acquired needs theory. First one, Maslow's need hierarchy theory. This theory having 5 steps. First one, psychological needs. Second step, safety needs. Third step, love and belonging. Fifth step, esteem. And finally, self actualization. McClelland acquired needs theory. 3 steps: need for achievements, need for power, need for affiliation. Achievement of motivation. Achievement motivation is also termed as an urge, the need to achieve, the urge to improve in common plans. If a man spends his time thinking about doing his job better, accomplishing something unusual and important or advance his career. The psychological says that he has high need of achievement. He thinks not only about the achievement goal but also about how it can be attained, what obstacles or blocks might be encountered, and how he would take help to overcome the obstacles in achieving his goals. Achievement motivation training. Achievement motivation training AMT is a well designed research based program that has been repeatedly used to enhance achievement and personal performance. McClellan tested the theory that high achievers possess a certain thought process, which is the use of the thematic appreciation test TAT and other measures of creative imagination. Achievement motivation. Kakinda is a industrial town in ADP, Andhra Pradesh. The experiment started in January 1964. The main objectives of the experiment was break the barrier of limited aspiration by inducing achievement motivation. A total of 52 persons were selected from business and industrial community of the town. The achievement development courses contained four main items. Number one, the individual strive to attain concrete and frequent feedback. Second one, the participants sought models of achievement, watched those who have performed well and tried to emulate. Number three, the participants imagined themselves and need of success and challenge and set carefully plan to realistic work goals. Final, the trainees were asked to control day dreaming by thinking and talking themselves in positive terms. Major motives influencing an entrepreneur. Number one, entrepreneurial ambitions. Number two, compelling reasons. Number three, facilitating factor. Again, it is classified into two types: internal. So, desire to the something new, educational qualification, technical background. These three parameters comes under the internal factors. External factors, government support and assistance. Second, availability of the labor and raw material, promising demand for the product. These informations are referred from the book Donald Theory of Process and Practice, Kanda SS by Entrepreneurship Development. Thank you.